How you doing, guys? Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a really nice 69 Camaro, badged up as a Z28. It's red with your black Z stripes, black interior. It's got your cowl hood, front and rear spoilers. You can see the bumpers look like they've all been replaced. Paint's nice and slick on the car. It has been painted about 10 years. Does have a couple small nicks here and there, but very nice car, solid. I tell you, the red with the black Z stripes really looks nice. It's got your rear spoiler. See, the rear bumper and everything looks real nice. Car's straight down the sides. It's got the factory rallies. It's got disc brakes up front, power steering. Now this is a GM Crate 454. Got aluminum intake on it and your Holly carb. Got a set of headers. Got 350 turbo trans in it. Got a nice aluminum radiator. Tell you, it's a real fun car to drive. Got a lot of power. Thing drives nice. The doors are nice and clean on the car. Dash all looks real nice. Does have an AM/FM CD stereo system. Headliner looks good. Got the factory center console and shifter. Again, this car is nice and straight down the sides. It's all base coat, clear coat. Trunk's real nice, solid. Does have a 10-bolt posi with a 373 gear in it. See your AM/FM CD stereo there. Got trio of gauges under the dash, nicely done. Got all your factory front and rear seat belts, the shoulder strap. This car come out of North Carolina. Jams all look good on the car. Does have all the original floors. It's had one quarter panel replaced. Other than that, it is all the original metal on the car. They put the correct big block heater core in the car. Fires right up. It's a good sounding car. It's got a set of flows on it out the back. Nice cam in it. Not real radical, but very responsive. Sounds good out the exhaust. Just a strong running 454. Really cool car, guys. So you can get in this car, drive it anywhere you want to go. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, guys.